Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. Because the moment you have a situation where you are really in control of things, that is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable.
Okay, leaving Blue Sail, on to the next spot. So we're here on Marina Village. I'll show you. It's beautiful. We have a million yachts over here. And as you can see, we're here at the Atlantis. And there's just tons to do. I feel like if you've been to the Atlantis, it's kind of like an older kind of hotel, whereas if you stay at somewhere like Bahamas or Four Seasons, it's more, I feel like, renovated, more. Actually, I'm lying. I feel like Atlantis is kind of on par with I feel like Atlantis is kind of on par with Four Seasons in a way where it's more traditional, but definitely gorgeous. You can see over here, it's definitely stunning. There's so much to do, a lot of like water parks, and I just feel like it's really good for families. So if you're looking for something more stylish, then it's probably best if you go for like Bahama, or traditional and modern and the same would be more so Four Seasons. But yeah, this is what we got. It's beautiful. Let's turn this around. So it's 12:25 and there's going to be a press conference today seeing if Canada's going to close their borders. I've been here for 3 days. Why? 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 I don't even want to talk about it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. I don't even want to talk about it because what the hell? Why close them? Like, we did this for 2 years already. And if we're in the same position... Okay, I'm getting like attacked out here. I'm just going for a walk. Honestly, I have a lot of content to shoot today. I feel like I have to get a lot of the product shots and bikini shots done because we leave on Friday. So it's gonna be like kind of crunch time, but kind of not. Oh, look at this. This is out by the pool. Yeah, so kind of crunch time. I just want to make sure I get it done so that I don't feel like I didn't get anything done. Oh, look. I don't know, I'm just walking under a canopy of palm trees. I couldn't imagine being in Toronto right now. I don't know how many more times I could say that. I really couldn't. Toronto's just so cold, snowy, awful. I have to wear too many clothes. It's the pool. I don't really want to take the people in the pool too much, but that's what it looks like. Maybe I'll walk around the other way. Yeah, good idea. I just have this dress on. Oh, I should do my outfit of the day right here. Ooh, okay, that's a good idea. If you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. That's exactly about what I'm about to film. Just had some coffee, but I have a feeling you can't hear a word I'm saying right now.